Hello students, welcome to the new lecture of fractions. In this lecture we will discuss about the division of fractions. In the previous lectures we have discussed about addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now we will discuss about the division of fractions. So here we have three cases arise. First one is when a whole number is divided by a fraction. Means when whole number is divided by a fraction. Second case, when a fraction is divided by another fraction. And third case is when a fraction divided by a whole number. Now one thing you have to keep in mind that in case of division of a fraction, the second fraction always inverted. That means when we have to divide two numbers, either they are fractional or whole numbers, the second fraction or second number is always inverted. That means we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, now we clear it by taking some examples. So first is case 1, when a whole number is divided by a fractional number. So here we are taking the example. We are taking a whole number like 7 divided by a fractional number like 21 by 9. Okay. Now you have to take what? 7, write first number as it is, division sign change into a multiplication sign, and the second fraction is inverted. That means we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. This will be equals to 9 by 21, as the reciprocal of 21 by 9 is 9 by 21. Now solving this, for here we can cut this 7 multiply 7 ones and 7 threes, which is equals to 9 by 3. Again this is converted, this is reduced into simpler form, so this becomes 3. So the result is 3. Okay. Now next case 2, when two fractional numbers are divided. That means a fraction is divided by another fraction. Okay, in this case, for example, we are taking 21 by 8 divided by 7 by 4. Okay. Now again you have to take, first write 21 by 8 as it is, replace division sign with multiplication sign and convert second fraction into its multiplicative inverse, or we can say that it's reciprocal, that is 4 by 7. Now here 4 ones and 4 twos, again 7 ones and 7 threes. So this will be equals to 3 by 2. As this is already is in a simpler form, so there is no need to convert it into the simpler form. Now we have case third. Here in this case we have, if first fraction is divided by a whole number. Again we are taking one more example. For example, if we have 7 by 15 is divided by 5, which is a whole number. So here we have to write 7 by 15 as it is, replace division sign with multiplication sign, and 1 by 15, as the reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5, which is equals to, here numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. This is equals to 7 upon, which is equals to 75. Okay. So this is the cases of division. First, when whole number is divided by a fraction. Second, when fraction is divided by another fraction. And third, when fraction is divided by a whole number. Now we have also mixed operation on fractions, like mixed operation here means, I am taking an example. Mixed operation on fractions. So here I am taking an example like if we have to find 7 by 4 plus 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 8. Now you have to use, for solving fractions, first you have to use BODMAS, as you have already used in your natural numbers, whole numbers, and in case of integers. So first solve it by using BODMAS. So here first we have to solve the bracket, that means 7 by 4 plus 3 by 4 multiply 8 by 5, which is equals to 7 by 4 plus, here 4 ones and 4 twos, 3 multiply 2 by 5, which is again equals to 7 by 4 plus 6 by 5. Now you have to solve 7 by 4 plus 6 by 5 either by using LCM method or by cross multiplication. Hope the concept of division of fractions is clear to you, and with this your chapter is completed. Thank you.